Hey there, welcome to TickTube. Today I'm going to show you how you can add your project in your LinkedIn profile through a PC. So, first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser and go on and log in to your LinkedIn account in their site, right? LinkedIn.com. So, this is your homepage. This is just a dummy account. Uh, so, what you're going to do is go in and click on it in your profile right there, and then click on view profile. Let the page load, and now what you're going to do is click on add profile section right there. Now click on recommended, and there is add projects section right there. You're going to click on it and, well, fill out this form. Give it a project name and some descriptions, what's it about and all that stuff, and add media, so you can add images, documents, URLs and other stuff, right? So this is additional details. If you're currently working on it, take on this. How much time did it take you, starting and end, and who contributed on it, and this is associated with, so if you did yourself, being a student, or a job, right? So whenever you fill this out, you're gonna click on save. So that's how you add projects on LinkedIn. So if this content helped you, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.